Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting trick to share with you. We'll show you how to use ChatGPT-4 for free with PoE, Power over Ethernet. Yes, you heard it right. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. Before we proceed with the trick, let's briefly understand what ChatGPT-4 and PoE are. ChatGPT-4 is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like responses to text inputs. PoE, on the other hand, is a technology that allows you to power certain devices over an Ethernet cable, eliminating the need for a separate power source. To make this trick work, you'll need the following: a device capable of running ChatGPT-4, such as a computer or smartphone, a reliable internet connection, a PoE-enabled router or switch. Now let's get to the fun part. You might be wondering how we can access ChatGPT-4 for free. Well, there's a neat little hack that allows you to access the model indirectly without paying.
There are online AI sandbox platforms that provide limited access to powerful AI models like ChatGPT-4. These platforms allow you to test the AI model's capabilities for a short duration before it resets. Simply search for AI sandbox platforms on your preferred search engine, and you'll find a list of services. This is where PoE comes into play. Since these AI sandbox platforms usually reset after a specific time, we can time our usage with PoE. Connect your device to a PoE-enabled router or switch using an Ethernet cable, and make sure your device's battery is fully charged. Now here's the trick. Start using the ChatGPT-4 through the AI Sandbox platform while your device is connected via PoE. PoE ensures that your device remains powered throughout the session, even if the AI Sandbox platform resets the model.
Once the AI Sandbox platform resets the ChatGPT-4 model, you can repeat the process again and again as long as you need to use the AI. Remember to keep an eye on your device's battery level and make sure to disconnect it from PoE when you're done. That's it, folks. You've just learned how to use ChatGPT-4 for free with PoE. Keep in mind that while this trick might save you money, it's essential to respect the terms and conditions of the AI sandbox platform you're using. Happy chatting and experimenting with the power of ChatGPT-4. If you found this trick useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Hey, before we end this video, we have a special announcement for all of you. We've created a Telegram group where we'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and ways to access AI models like ChatGPT-4 for free. Join our Telegram link in the video description below to become a part of our community.
In the group, we'll keep you updated on the latest developments in AI technology, share resources, and discuss various methods to make the most of AI sandbox platforms and PoE to access powerful AI models without breaking the bank.